What's up everybody, we are back with another video. Today we are going to do an unboxing, and if you are a subscriber of this channel, what I definitely recommend by the way, then you know that I normally do separate videos for Hot Wheels Mainlines, Matchbox Mainlines, Hot Wheels Premiums. The problem is it's really hard to get new stuff, new diecast stuff in my area at the moment. I mentioned it in the videos before, but it is how it is. I have to deal with that, and yeah. So we'll take a look at this wild and small mix, and I would say let's get started with this one here. So this is the 1978 Ford Bronco from Matchbox Moving Parts. This is the first moving parts model from Matchbox that I could get in this year. And this, I think, is already from Mix 3. So it's the first one that I could get with the new packaging. As you might know or not know, this is how the moving parts packaging looked until the end of last year. This style, weird card style, wasn't really popular, so they changed it, and now, as you can see, the whole packaging is made out of cardboard and some environmental friendly whatever this stuff is. Anyways, let's take a look at the model itself. I'm a huge fan of the Ford Bronco, also the older ones. As you can see right here, this is a new casting for this year. So let's open this one up. Ooh. Not so easy. But yeah, there we go. Yeah, this one does look pretty nice. Comes in this yeah, really nice blue and white combination. So we can open the hood, as you can see, and we get some pretty nice engine details. Unfortunately, as you can see, it seems like the hood doesn't stay open. Yeah, that's a little bit unfortunate, to be honest. But we get a chrome base and a chrome front, and that is looking pretty good. Some details on the back. Taillights. Yeah, and I have to say, this thing doesn't look too bad. I would have preferred it when the hood would stay open, but I think there is no chance. Anyways, I think this thing doesn't look too bad, so let's put this one into the parking lot. The next one that I can show you is this one here. I will keep this one carded. This is the second version of the 1975 Opel Kadett, and this is from last year, as you can see here on the 70 years logo, but I wasn't able to find it, and I could only find one. I don't know why this is so rare in my area, no idea, but this looks really good, and I hope I find the second one so I can open this thing up. So we're done with Matchbox, I would say. Let's go on with the Hot Wheels Premium model. This is also an older one. It's from last year, I think from summer or something. As you can see, Fast and Furious set. It's something that normally I wouldn't have bought, but let's take a look at the whole set first. I think we had the Cayman and the Mazda RX-7 or something. But this guy wasn't really popular. So they reduced the price, and I got this thing here for €5. You know, normally you have to pay 10 euros or maybe 12 for these premium models, so that's a fair price. And I thought, why not get this one. Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. This one looks really good. Comes in a flat gray. The model itself looks really good. I hope you can see that, saying Grand Cherokee here on the side. I really like these huge black 5 spokes. I think they look really good on this one. Match the car very well. Get some details on the back. As you can see, we only get one rivet. So this is a hook assembly model. Unfortunately, once again, I hope you can see it on the video, it seems like the windows are all scratched. Even the sunroof happens very often in the last time. Yeah, it's unfortunate. Anyways, I only paid, oh, here's a huge scratch also on the rear window. Yeah, that's kind of annoying, to be honest. Anyways, this is the front. Looks good, rolls perfectly as always. These premium models from Hot Wheels do. This is the base. Yeah, for 5 euros, a pretty nice buy, except the scratches on the window. So let's go on with some Hot Wheels mainline models. I got this thing here, the boom car, and to be honest, I only bought it because I thought it was a new casting, but seems like it isn't a new casting. Let's take a look at the base. This thing is from 2016, so yeah, kind of wild. Flames on this thing here. Let's put this one in the parking lot. The same thing, by the way, with this one here, the Grass Chomper. I don't know why I thought these were new castings. No idea. I think, let's take a look at the base. This one is from, let's see, 2015. And it seems like the only metal part is the steering wheel. The rest, the base, everything is plastic. So yeah, I don't know what happened. Then another casting that normally I don't collect, the Rodger Dodger, but as you can see, this one is the version for the 29th February, which only happens every 4 years, the leap year. And I thought, why not? This is kind of cool. So let's open this one up, and the model also saying, or has the whole date, 29th of February 24, everything here on the roof and on the side. So yeah, I think it's a weird color combination, gray and red, especially this engine that sticks out of the hood, like the chrome front and the chrome base. Yeah, that is that. Oops, we dropped our Mercedes. Then we get the 1978 Dodge Little Red Express truck. This is also something special. As you can see, this was the Valentine Days version. And if you take a close look here on the side, it's saying, "Will you be my Valentine?" I like the color on this one, kind of a candy apple red, and these golden rims. with a chrome base, or the has a chrome base, and the chrome front and the bumper looking really good. These golden details, really nice red on this one. And then I got one of the Hot Wheels art cars. This is also a model I normally don't collect, but sometimes I think these art cars are really cool. And this one, I don't know why, also looks like a treasure hunt. It isn't, but I think this could have been a good choice for treasure hunt. There we go. There's a lot going on this one. Golden engine details, white rims or white wheels, or white tires, so to say. And yeah, pretty interesting colors, blue tinted windows. So yeah, pretty nice. Okay, so then we have some models from the vintage series. And yeah, you might know that Hot Wheels changed something this year, so we get this kind of silver line, which are, let's say, the mid-range cars. We get more deco, and some of the models in these sets do have metal bases, and I think I don't know if they do it in every set, but seems like they always put 2 of, I don't know, 6 cars, or they release 2 of 6 cars with a metal base. So we can take a quick look. I hope you can see them. These are all the models. I didn't get all of them because I'm not really into the Miura. I didn't buy the Camaro, and I also didn't buy the Corvette. This is the other model with the metal base. And our Mercedes, or 1954 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing, also has a metal base, which is pretty cool. So let's take a look at this one. First of all, here is the base, white metal base, as you can see. This one is looking really good. I think this is the best version, in my opinion, of this model so far. I think they nailed it with this one. We've seen a premium version of this guy in Jay Leno's garage. He owns a special version of the 300 SL in red with some paint chips, which was pretty cool. Well, they did a pretty good job on this version, but I really like this white version. Some nice details on the front, also on the back. I like the rims, and I also like that they did a metal base on this one. Feels really good. And we have 2 models left. BMW 2002. So as you can see, this one has let's say regular metal, regular plastic base. Sorry. Let's take a look at this one. Also in the racing livery, as all of these models. I like the colors, pretty nice, blue and red. I'm not a huge fan of these rims, to be honest, because in my opinion these are Porsche rims, or let's say rims that you are used to see on Porsches from the 70s, as we will see in a second. But all in all, pretty nice model. Details on the back, on the front. Yeah, this one also would have been very cool with a metal base and maybe some other rims. And our last one is this guy here, 1971 Porsche 911. So as you can see, this guy has the same a little bit more light on this one, the same wheels as the BMW, but yeah, I think they match the Porsche very well. A lot of racing deco going on the hood. It also comes with a windshield banner, which is pretty cool. And it also has a license plate on the back. It's also very cool. Yeah, pretty nice. So let's put the rotator to the side and we'll take a final look at our models. And as always, I'm picking a favorite. And yeah, in this case, it's kind of hard to decide. I really like the Bronco, but as its hood doesn't stay open, I would say it's our gull-wing Mercedes with the metal base. This one is really nice. Pretty happy that I found one. So yeah, there you have it, my unboxing video of this yeah, wild mix. That's it for today. If you did like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.